If you really want to stand out as a holistic practitioner, if you really not only want to stand out, but more importantly, make a difference, you want to help someone uncover what is going on and get to that root cause, we forget that it takes practice. When you're used to thinking for so many years, you've been taught and trained to receive a certain amount of information, very cookie cutter style. We're creatures of habit. We have patterns of thinking. And so if you feel or believe that you're going to take a holistic certification program and right after that program, okay, I got everything I need, I know everything now, and all of a sudden overnight, I'm going to be a holistic practitioner, that's not the way it works. It's just like with every other profession, whether it's physical or mental. To be good at any skill, it takes practice. This is one of the reasons in our programs we go into deep dives, we go into case studies. We want to ensure that our professionals are taking the necessary time that they need to put into practice what they're learning, because if you're not putting into practice what you're learning, your mind is going to naturally revert to the ways of thinking that you're used to. And then all of a sudden you'll find yourself one of those professionals where you're like, I took this program, I'm super holistic, and then all of a sudden you find yourself responding to someone with quick answers rather than diving into those very necessary questions. And then you wonder why. It's not because something is wrong with you. It's just simply because you need practice. All of us do.